All right, just got my glass pot, and the instructions tell you very simple. Preheat the actual stove that you're going to turn it on. You can see it heating up right now. We're going to do some noodles on this, and we're going to see how well it works. And I'm going to touch the handles, and they're not hot. First time I'm using it, so I'm a little hesitant about it, but so far so good. I like this because I'm gonna be able to actually do some eggs, some noodles, and so forth. I can see if they're done, well done, and this is perfect, a clear, see-through glass. It tells you on the front, you go freeze it, heat it, and have it in neutral for your pastas and other sauces and stuff like that that you can see through. So let's put it to a test, see how well it works. It comes with a lid too. It has a little hole for steam to get out. The lid's very simple. I washed it right now, it's drying up, and we are gonna cover the noodles in a bit right now as soon as we throw in the noodles so you guys can see how well they work. Put in my noodles. You can see them, you can see through them, and we're gonna see if they start getting a little soggy, then we start moving around. This thing's great if you're gonna do sauces, noodles, boil eggs. And I like that it has a steam hole on the top, which is great. So you don't have to worry about opening it up and all the steam hitting your face or anything. It has a little tiny hole right here on the top. Instructions were simple, just preheat it. It's boiling. My noodle's ready. It's thick already. I could tell it's thick instead of thinness. I don't need to take out little noodles or throw them out against the wall because they're ready to go. So very simple to put together. Let's just put it in there. You can freeze it up. So today we're just going to turn it off. And we're ready to cook and ready to eat. Now we're gonna make some sauce later down the line. We can see how thick the sauce gets. So hope you guys enjoy the video.